Your liver is quietly dying, and you're feeding it poison every single day. I'm not talking about alcohol. I'm talking about foods sitting in your kitchen right now that are silently destroying the hardest working organ in your body. In the Yafi, next 16 minutes, I'm going to show you 7 common foods that are scientifically proven to damage your liver. And what shocks most people is that some of these are labeled as healthy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to remove from your diet today to give your liver a fighting chance. Let's dive in. First, let me explain why this matters so much. Your liver performs over 500 critical functions every single day. It filters toxins, produces bile for digestion, stores energy, regulates hormones, and manufactures proteins your body needs to survive. But here's the scary part. Your liver doesn't complain until it's too late. Unlike your stomach or your heart, the liver has no pain receptors. You can lose up to 75% of your liver function before you feel a single symptom. By the time you notice fatigue, yellowing skin, or abdominal pain, you're already in serious trouble. Right now, 1 in 3 adults worldwide has fatty liver disease, and most don't even know it. According to research published in the Journal of Hepatology, this number has doubled in the last 20 years. And the biggest driver? The foods we eat every single day. So let's talk about the 7 worst offenders. Number 1. Sugary drinks, especially soda and fruit juices. Here's what happens. When you drink liquid sugar, your liver gets hit with a massive dose of fructose all at once. Unlike glucose, which your whole body can use, fructose can only be processed by your liver. A 2015 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed just 1 sugary drink per day had a 56% higher risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Why? Because excess fructose gets converted directly into fat inside your liver cells. Over time, this leads to inflammation, scarring, and eventually cirrhosis. And don't be fooled by natural fruit juices. A glass of orange juice has the same fructose load as a Coke, without the fiber to slow absorption. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal tea, or sparkling water with lemon. If you crave sweetness, eat whole fruit. The fiber changes everything. Number 2. White bread, pastries, and refined carbs. You might think, but there's no sugar in bread. Wrong. Your body converts refined carbs into sugar within minutes. A study from hepatology showed that high intake of refined carbohydrates was strongly associated with fatty liver disease, even in people of normal weight. Here's the biology. Refined carbs spike your insulin. High insulin tells your liver to store fat. Do this meal after meal, day after day, and your liver becomes a fat storage unit. Plus, refined carbs are stripped of fiber, so they hit your system fast, just like sugary drinks. Switch to whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole oats, whole wheat. The fiber slows digestion and protects your liver. Make this one swap and you'll feel the difference in energy within days. Number 3. Fried and ultra-processed foods. French fries, fried chicken, chips. Packaged snacks. They're loaded with trans fats and oxidized oils that your liver simply can't handle. Research from The Lancet found that regular consumption of fried foods increased liver enzyme levels, a direct marker of liver damage. Why? Because when oils are heated to high temperatures repeatedly, like in fast food fryers, they become toxic. Your liver has to work overtime to neutralize these damaged fats. Add in the preservatives, artificial colors, and flavor enhancers in processed foods, and you're creating a toxic overload. Cook at home with healthy fats, olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. Bake, steam, or air fry instead of deep frying. Your liver will thank you. Number 4. Too much salt, especially hidden sodium. Most people focus on sugar and fat, but salt is a silent liver killer. A 2018 study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine showed that high salt intake caused oxidative stress and inflammation, in liver cells, leading to fibrosis. The problem isn't the salt you add at the table. It's the hidden sodium in processed foods, canned soups, deli meats, sauces, and restaurant meals. The average person eats 3,400 milliliters of sodium per day, way above the recommended 2,300 milliliters. Read labels. Choose low sodium or no added salt versions. Cook with herbs and spices instead. Garlic, turmeric, ginger, lemon. They add flavor and protect your liver. Number 5. Alcohol. Yes, even in moderation. I know this isn't a food, but I have to include it because so many people underestimate alcohol's impact. Here's the truth. There is no safe amount of alcohol for your liver. A major 2019 study in The Lancet involving 600,000 people found that even one drink per day increased the risk of liver disease, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. Alcohol is directly toxic to liver cells. It causes fat buildup, inflammation, and over time, irreversible scarring called cirrhosis. And if you're already eating the other foods on this list, the damage multiplies. If you drink, do it rarely, not daily, and never on an empty stomach. Better yet, take a 30-day break and see how much better you feel. Number 6. Red and processed meats, bacon, sausages, hot dogs, deli meats. They're delicious, but they're liver toxins. A study in hepatology found that people who ate the most red and processed meat had a 47% higher risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Why? Because these meats are high in saturated fat and often loaded with nitrates and preservatives that increase inflammation. Plus, cooking red meat at high heat creates compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which damage liver cells. Limit red meat to once or twice a week. Choose grass-fed, organic when possible. Load up on plant proteins, beans, lentils, chickpeas, and lean options like fish and chicken. Number 7. This one surprises everyone. Artificial sweeteners. You switch to diet soda thinking you're being healthy. But emerging research shows artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin may actually harm your liver. A 2021 study in Molecules found that artificial sweeteners disrupted gut bacteria, which then increased liver inflammation and fat accumulation. Your gut and liver are directly connected. Damage one, you damage the other. Plus, artificial sweeteners can increase sugar cravings, leading you back to the real thing. If you need sweetness, use small amounts of natural options, raw honey, maple syrup, or stevia in moderation. Or better, yet retrain your taste buds to enjoy less sweetness overall. Now here's the good news. Your liver is one of the only organs that can regenerate. Start removing these foods today, and within weeks, you can start reversing damage. Focus on whole foods, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, berries, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Drink plenty of water, move your body daily, and give your liver the rest it deserves. If you have liver disease, elevated liver enzymes, or any serious health condition, please consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Results vary, and healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. Your liver works 24/7 to keep you alive. Now it's your turn to take care of it. You've got this. Start with one change today, just one, and build from there. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of that liver.